What do you know about AI? I will give you one situation of AI. And here it goes. Here is A, and here is I. Or here is A. It's a big difference between this and this. Now the question can be, this is the I of Horus. Horus is time, so is Cronus. Horus and Cronus, you have to put them together. And you have to also know that there's Demas, and I'm not even sure how you spell it, but I'm going to spell it this way. I also like to look at this as the Phoenix. Okay, Phobos, and then you have Cronus, Nos, and then you have that other word I just used. So we have this. Now my question is, what is the actual continuation? What is that? I'm just trying to understand that. At what point does the artwork begin to take its structure for A? Or can we actually look at it as A, and then you see this here, AI. Here is your simple form of AI. We can also look at AI as this way. But this is a little offset. So maybe I would be able to do this and do this. And maybe your AI would look like that now, but now that now looks like a T. So it's AIT. But this is what you can do. This is the 3-letter word. This is a 2-letter word. This is a 2-letter word. And this is a 2-letter word. And this is what this situation is. It begins with a Venus, and then through Venus you create 222. 222 times 8 equals to 1776. One of the strands, and remember, you need the mother seed. So don't count the first 222. So instead of 1776, okay, you're going to have 4, 5, 5, 4. 9 times 6, 9 plus 6, equaling to 1554. 69 in rotation. And now there's some more math. You can play with that. We can talk about it. This is where pi comes in, because the mathematics of this will equal to 29. It's part of the pi formation. 55 will create, I mean, I'm not going to get into that right now. But anyways, we're just playing with the letters just to show you. We're going to do this a little bit bigger. What happens to A, that when you divide A, okay, when you divide A, now the question is, where are you dividing A? Are you dividing A here? Is this where AI takes place? I don't know. I have to think about it. But I can tell you that when it does take place there, what it creates is a delta angle. Some of the angles that we create, when I'm looking for an I or I'm looking for a Y, here's another way to create the Y. And each one of these areas are both noted to be 120 for 360. And then there's a question that comes within. How much area space do these wings take up? To say that if this was 360 degrees and this took up a covering of 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, you would actually have 111, 911, 911, 911, plus these 3 that are covering, equaling to 357 running under the gun, plus 3 creation, which is through these bars here, and then this area space to get it turning. This area over here, 3 and 3, the fans and the core. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. The skeleton into our school system, what they call the alphabet. But once it's all made out to be exactly what it is, it makes beautiful designs. So when you start to see ghosts in the closet as you were going to school, is because you were seeing all the beautiful designs hidden in the alphabet, that they only showed you the skeleton, and your vibration wanted you to see so much more. It's, I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. Which way? Look what light does. You can't even see it. I got the light right on it, and you can't even see it. Look what happens to light. See, if you put it too close, you don't see much, but once you start pulling it away. Thank you for watching this video.